Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to retrieve your Facebook password if you can't able to remember it. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your settings. Now scroll down, press on Google. Press on your Gmail account and go to manage your Google account. Now click on security. Scroll down. Press on manage passwords. Click on facebook.com. Enter your password. That's it. So this is how to retrieve your Facebook password if you can't able to remember it. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.